So, my name's Brennan and we are about to go on a world trip. We're filming a video for a nonprofit called ACE Initiatives. First, we're going to France and Greece, Jordan, Thailand, Japan, and Hawaii in like 12 days.
What's up, guys? It's Evan and Brennan right behind the camera. We're out here in the beautiful France. People are looking. We're gonna keep walking. Yeah, we came out here to go to a purple field.
Evan, why don't you tell me what we had for dinner?
We got Burger King.
Sir, can we just keep walking, do you think?
It's ratatouille.
We want no fighting with you.
I don't know what this is. Just went through 24 hours of straight travel.
Yeah, less than one, you're gonna be really
What? If you're traveling the world, don't do it in 11 days.
French water is disgusting.
It's like regular water.
It's not.
We're staying the longest in France, and we've only eaten American food here. Backstory on us, I'm from Texas.
From Oregon, bro.
My boy's from Oregon. Two very different biomes.
They're gonna be like, no wee wee.
No wee wee means no yes yes. And there's supposed to be some purple plants in Valensole.
Dude, we're all about, we literally flew halfway across the world to find a purple plant. If it's not here, I'm gonna be real pissed.
Yeah.
What are we right now, Ev?
We're going back to Starbucks.
How pathetic is that? Bro, we're in France and just got Starbucks.
The pizza doesn't even taste like pizza, it's so good.
Except your pizza had an olive on it, which you didn't eat.
I don't like olives, but like I like this. So.
Like downtown Marseille now, and
there's a two-story carousel.
Bro, how do we not go on the carousel? Our cards keep getting declined. Now we have no food, and I'm not really sure what to do.
We need a jar.
We're on the journey for a jar, bro.
We need this by 4 p.m. I've been walking around with a jar of spinach for the past hour. We gotta get rid of this spinach
somehow.
So what are you doing?
It's gonna clog the toilet.
No, it's not, bro.
It's bad.
You can't do that.
It's disgusting.
I think it's sprayed on me, bro.
That dude, it smells like spinach. I'm actually gonna puke.
Yeah, it's spinach.
That's people taking some nice pictures.
That was epic.
Dude, this is insane. We got our bags, then we're good to go. Sunset is freaking beautiful. Look at this. Seriously. Never seen anything like this. Look at So, we got room service because there's literally no food open.
Brennan thinks these are grapes. These are not
Bro,
grapes.
they're definitely grapes. They came in this, what is it? Like, it's like a...
Eat this.
It's like a chocolate.
Eat it. Is it a grape?
No. It's like a little sour cherry with seeds, bro.
Alright, we're in France. Moose better be good.